This bold group brokered by eXp Realty, LLC property video is presented by Sam Rubio. Looking for a great home close to Barksdale, AFB? Look no further. This cute home is ready for a new owner. 4 bedrooms, 1 full bath and 2 living areas. Large laundry room. Home has been updated. Neutral colors throughout. Ceramic tile. New wood flooring. Carpet in bedrooms. All kitchen appliances stay with the home. 1 covered carport. Large fenced in backyard. This would also make a great rental for someone looking to add to their portfolio. For more information, review the details below or contact Sam Rubio at 318-754-8880.